Jaleesa, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another hair video and I wanted to do a half up, half down with clip-ins. So I've been playing with clip-ins for a couple of weeks now because I am thinking very strongly about getting tape and extensions. If you guys want to see me install them, hit the like button. But I am trying these clip-ins and just seeing different companies, different brands, different textures. So I'm trying out these clip-ins today. These are from CurlsQueen. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box, but I have been wearing it. It's so soft, super, super soft. And I custom colored the hair. So it's like a Brazilian kinky straight. Like I said, I'm gonna put all the description, all the information because I don't have it right with me. You basically get 10 pieces for a full install, and then it comes with this bag so you can store everything in it. And yeah, they're also sponsoring this video, so shout out to them. Let's get into it. So half up, half down. I've never done half up, half down with clip-ins, and it's one of my favorite hairstyles, so let's do that. Let's section our hair away. So for half up, half down, of course you want half down. So I'm just gonna section half down here. So for the back, what I'm gonna do is basically cornrow my hair going down. And that'll give the clip-ins something to basically clip onto. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll probably do maybe 3 or 4 cornrows in the back. Let's do 4 for good measure. Now my hair's braided, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the clip-ins. So in this set, you get 2 of the 5 clip wefts, 2 of the 4 clip wefts, 2 of the 3 clip wefts, and then you get 4 of the 2 clip wefts. So you get 10 wefts. So I think what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna start to fit it. I wanna basically make sure that my clip-ins are going in a U shape. That way all the hair will lay kind of going forward and you won't see any tracks. So I'm just gonna take a 3 and just use this at the very bottom of my hair. And then I'm gonna take a 4 clip weft and basically stack that right on top. Taking another 4 clip. And then I feel like a 3 clip is gonna fit right on top. And then let's grab a 2 clip. And I feel like this is pretty full actually. Like this is pretty full. I would say this is about my natural density. So I think that's perfect. What I have left is I have a 5 clip, another 5 clip, which I could have used in the back instead of one of the 4s, but it's all good, whatever fits, honestly. And then I have 3 more 2 clips. So let's go ahead and do the top. So for the top, I'm looking at my natural density, and this is what 3 clips would look like, the density. So we're definitely gonna need to sneak in a 5 clip. So what I'm gonna do is go along the, I guess the longest part, kind of near the middle here. What I'm gonna do is just stack these 2 clips. Let's do another layer. Okay, perfect. So we have all 3 clips. Now this one is too close to the front, so I'm gonna move it back a little bit. I'm gonna let all of these go back, and then I'm gonna let this one also go backwards as well. So this is gonna be the only one that's going backwards, essentially. Okay, perfect, yes. Okay, so now all we need to do is smooth out the hair. And this hair's textured, so I can technically use gel because it'll create like a nice wave in my natural hair pattern. But I'm gonna just use hairspray just to keep everything in place. This is the Way Soft hairspray. Plus it smells really good. I have one of my bungee hair ties that always save my life and get my ponytails super snatched. Do your magic today. Okay, so now we have my hair doing its thing. We have the extensions doing its thing. But what I'm gonna do is just take one of the 5 clips and wrap around. Okay, and brush that out. And as you can see, it matches my texture so perfectly, so it all just blends in. So what I'm gonna do then is just take a little bit of the hair, just somewhere from the middle of the base, and then use that to wrap it around the base of the ponytail. And then for finishing touches, you can see the hairspray didn't give its all today. So I'm just taking a little bit of, this is the Main Choice Pearly Braid Out Glaze. And this is going to make my hair texture pop, but it's going to look really good with the extensions, so that's all good. And when I say hair texture pop, I mean, like, you know, the little waves you get when you put gel in. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and lay this down. Okay, let's give it like 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been like 20 minutes. It's because TikTok and things. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the scarf because I know my hair is dry for a fact. Ta-da. Cute. So it's up to you now what you want to do with your baby hair. I already have a little bit of edge going on, but I'm just gonna kind of clean it up a little bit. I'm taking the Kiss Edge Fixer Fave, and I'm just gonna clean it up. Clip-ins feel really lightweight. I love the texture. I was thinking about putting some curls in, but I actually really like the texture. I think it looks really natural. It just looks like my hair but blown out. So I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave the texture, and that's basically it. It was really easy to do. The hair's super soft. I mean, like, super soft. And I'm surprised just because I did color it. I didn't do my typical blonde, but you know, I mean, bleach can be a little bit stripping, but the hair still feels so soft, actually softer than my hair. So that might tell me little things about the health of my personal hair. I gotta get that in order. But besides that, I love it. Like I said, the hair's super lightweight. It's really, really soft, and I love the texture of it. I'm gonna leave it just like this. I think it looks nice. A half up, half down, real nice and sleek, always looks gorgeous. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Like I said, I'll leave all the information about the clip-ins down there so I don't mess anything up. But it's a really nice, affordable set. You guys are gonna love the texture. I think I'm really gonna go ahead and do the tape-ins because I am liking the length and the texture. So yeah, if you guys want a video of me installing the tape-ins, let me know. But yeah, drop a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Big shout out to CurlsQueen for sponsoring this video, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye. Sheep Islands. Bye.